Jane, this is Brittany. We spoke, and I promised to provide you with a video with some tips and tricks on how to optimize your website and your online presence. I'm going to be going over 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. And first, I want to go over content. So right now, I'm going to be looking at the number of words that you guys have on your front page. And I would guess that there's probably around 50 or so words on your front page. So we do suggest 1,500 to 2,000 words, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So for example, I went and searched for North Georgia wood floor installation at the top of Google, and this is a keyword someone might put into the search for something they're looking for. And this keyword is also service specific and location specific. We're looking at North Georgia, and I'm looking for wood floor installation. I chose this keyword because it's on your front page, and I wanted to see what would come up. So the first thing that comes up is something called the Google Map Pack, and 30% of consumers will choose one of these businesses to fulfill their services. Below that is the organic search results. Now, 60 to 70% of consumers will choose one of these websites to do their service that they're looking for. So I looked at the first top spot in Google for this term, and it is Georgia flooring. You guys were ranked at the 4th spot here. So I brought up your competition, and I was looking at their content as well. They don't have a lot either. I would guess they probably have around 50 words or so on their front page. However, there are some things that they are doing and why they are ranking higher that I'd like to show you. So here is a page program that I like to use to research websites and also put them in here for analysis and evaluation. First, we have 2 ratings, a DR rating and a UR rating. DR rating is essentially a power rating Google gives your website, and UR rating is a trust rating, and both of these are raised by backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere you might find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So essentially, it's like a popularity contest. However, it is worth noting that the best, most high-quality backlinks you can have are those that are relevant to your industry and services and that are local websites. Those will work the best. You guys have 2 backlinks that are currently on your website. In your competition, Georgia Flooring, they have 221. Not only do they have a good number of backlinks, they also have pretty good quality backlinks, which is why they have a high trust rating with Google at 23. I would suggest having some good quality backlinks, not only matching that number, but maybe going higher to 400 or so. Alright, the next thing I want to talk about is a citation. So we've covered content and backlinks, and now we're on to a citation. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in the map pack I showed you earlier at the top of our search result. And this is extremely important for local businesses, since being one of these businesses in the top 3 can generate huge amounts of revenue as well. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, Better Business Bureau, there's hundreds of others, but the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. And once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you rank above them. So looking at your citations, you guys have 1 citation currently. In your competition, Georgia Flooring has 70. So once again, I wouldn't just recommend matching that number, but raising it to probably 150 to 200. And that way, once it is that high, you guys can probably start showing up on the Google Map Pack. Alright, so we've gone over content, backlinks, and citations. And these things come together, and you will start to outgrow your competitors once you are able to optimize those. And here's why it might be so worth it. So they're getting some pretty good organic traffic in, some really good quality leads in. And looking at yours, unfortunately, you guys do not have anything at the moment. And the way you can get more organic traffic is by ranking higher on that organic search, and by doing that, by doing these things, by raising and increasing your backlinks, by also increasing your citations, and also increasing your content and the amount of locations for specific keywords you have, you'll be able to start getting some more organic traffic to your website, and people will be looking for you. Alright, so I just wanted to show this to you to provide some valuable educational content, how to strengthen your online presence and optimize your website. Thank you so much for allowing me to serve you, James. I hope this was helpful to you. I'd appreciate some feedback. My contact information is on the bottom of my email and my signature. I hope to hear from you soon, and I hope you have a great day.